Diane Davis, Director of Product Management for our Ethernet products at Redline Controls. We're here at the InnoTrans show showing our rugged, reliable network infrastructure products working in conjunction with our automation products, where we can take data for purposes of analytics for predicting maintenance requirements before a device or a unit fails, from the engine car all the way down to the sensors in the cars. We can take the sensor data and through our wide library of over 300 protocols, convert the data stream, store it, data log it, send it up through our cellular gateways to the cloud or to our HMIs for immediate analysis. Our NT24K product family includes IP20 PoE devices for installation inside a panel. We have a wide array in our NT24K family of PoE devices with fast Ethernet fiber and gigabit fiber, from 8 copper ports to up to 16 copper ports, all capable of providing PoE plus power up to 30 watts per port and up to 240 watts per switch. So whether your need is for a panel installed IP20 devices or our new NT24K 16M12 IP67 products for mounting outside the panel, Redline has the solution. In this particular application, we're showing a ticketing system. We work with an integrator in a rail application, but it's applicable to any ticketing system. The ticket system input, we have a reader. It goes to a media converter in the actual gates. We're using fiber connectivity back to the switch, which is a secure media, can go long distances, it's resistant to noise. It goes back to the switch where we collect the data. We can handle long-haul fiber, multi-mode fiber, and then it's sent back to the central station where it's managing the ticketing. All of our IP67 products are rated with EN 50155 certification for high shock and vibration capability. They're IP67 rated for dust-proof and water-resistant. Our newest product, really designed for rail applications, it's all gigabit technology, is PoE plus capable, up to 30 watts of PoE power delivered per port, up to 240 watts per switch. Our units are built in with 2 bypass relay port pairs. That is designed to allow communication to continue to flow. In case of a power outage in one car, the data will continue to flow through to the next car.